Hi knitting friends, Shayna Billow here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I avoid playing yarn chicken. Right now I'm at the end of this shawl and I know I need about 4 or 5 rows of yarn in order to do my edge pattern and the bind off. So do I have enough yarn that I can knit a few extra rows of the pattern? I'm going to show you how I figure that out with a sensitive scale and very simple math. You can do this. The first step to avoiding playing a game of yarn chicken is to weigh your yarn. You can use a sensitive postage or kitchen scale. This happens to be a jeweler's scale. If you like this technique of weighing your yarn, you can certainly invest in one of these for yourself. But any sensitive scale you have will do. You just want to make sure you can measure your yarn in grams. So right now on this ball, I have 11.59 grams remaining before I start knitting. The next step is going to be to work 2 rows in my pattern. I'm going to do that and then I'll be back. I've just knit those 2 rows, and certainly you can knit any number of rows to help you determine how much yarn is used per row, how many grams we use per row, but I'm going to put my ball on the scale, and now I can see that I have 10.16 grams remaining, and that was having worked 2 rows. What this tells me is that if I started with 11.59 grams. I knit 2 rows and had 10.16 grams remaining. About 1.43 grams was used for 2 rows. That divided by 2 is 0.72 grams per row that I need. So we're going to take, if I have 0.72 grams per row, 10.16 divided by 0.72 is 14.11111. So I have enough yarn for about 14 rows. However, when you are working this way, I have an increase on this shawl. So every right side row that I make, I'm adding an extra stitch. So that's going to take me down, let's say, -1 row for the increases. Okay. In addition, bind off stitches take a little more yarn than a usual row. So I tend to think about 2 rows of yarn as being involved in the bind off. So this leaves me with 11 rows of yarn remaining, and I like to round down. So I'm going to work 10 more rows and then I can work my top border. I hope that helped you. Happy knitting!